Congratulations as well to Cagayan de Oro City. Honorable Mayor Rolando Uy, Leadership Communities Program and Centex Training Institute. Our first awardee of the Gawa de Campeon for Learning Continuity Plan. And now we will be giving the Gawa de Campeon for Learning Continuity Plan for Highly Urbanized City. The Gawad goes to Cagayan de Oro City, Honorable Rolando Uy, Kurambasa, Kurambos sa Pagbasa, Teacher Fellowship Program and Centex Training Institute.
Daghang salamat sa kanunay kauban taoy.